Congratulations, man.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you.
Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome to a very empty living room. Today is the day. It is moving day. Well, I guess it's not moving day, it is packing day. We are packing up the truck as we speak so that we can take everything to New York.
It's a lot. It's so much more than we thought. For a second that I thought we were gonna need 2 trucks. There's so much stuff.
So this is the living room now that everything is moved out. It is so empty and bare and just echoey. It's echoey.
Hello.
So we moved here 2019.
End of 2019. We spent COVID here, quarantine.
That was one of the craziest things ever. I remember Alex and I, the first vlog we did, we sat at this window here and we just talked about how we went to buy toilet paper. That is
like a horrible vlog. See this wall here? We even built this whole wall. Robbi did it herself, all right? Now we're leaving it. She helped, she definitely helped. Now we're leaving it behind for somebody else. We're going to New York City. Whoa! Whoa! Saved it. Transition to New York City.
we did. Welcome to the Big Apple and welcome to a very empty, very beautiful apartment. So today marks 1 week in NYC. It kind of doesn't feel real yet.
It's true, isn't it? It's a week today.
A week
Didn't think
today.
about that.
And the only thing we have in here right now is our bags that we brought with us and a blow-up mattress. I can't wait to show you guys this
Nothing
place.
else. So obviously the view is beautiful, but how about we give them a tour?
All right. Goodbye, Alex.
Bye.
All right, let's start this apartment tour. So you walk in and straight away you see these double doors, which is a closet. Over here to my left is the main living area, and then to my right is the bedroom, which I will show you guys in just a second. So this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath apartment, and I'll show you all of that. But I wanted to start with my favorite space in the whole house, which is this beautiful open concept kitchen looking straight over the living room, which I love because, you know, when you have guests over, you can still interact with them. You can still kind of see what's going on while you're in the kitchen. The fridge is actually covered by the cabinets, which I think is really beautiful, makes it more aesthetic. Look at this window over here. This is probably my favorite thing in the whole house. This is what we call the magic window. Alex and I have been sitting here every morning just catching up, drinking our coffee, looking out, and it's pretty crazy because every single time you sit here, you just notice something else that you didn't notice the time before. And speaking of beautiful and inspiring, we have an amazing Miele coffee maker, microwave, lots of storage down here. We also have some overhead storage and a really nice cooktop. Then coming out of the living room, we have what's called the forbidden room. This is the forbidden room, aka the man cave, aka Alex's space. As you can see, he has no chair or anything. So this is going to be Alex's office studio. You can see he's had a space over here where he's already been shooting YouTube videos. He's got a bathroom in here, which he is calling, I think, the Forte bathroom, right?
Forte bathroom.
The Forte bathroom. One of the things that I think is most incredible about this apartment is that all of the bathrooms have this medicine cabinet, so you can kind of have extra storage behind the mirror, so you're really making the most of the space. Out here, another beautiful view. As you were. So moving on to the rest of the house. In New York, not a lot of apartments have an in-unit washer and dryer, so that was something that was really important to us. And here is actually going to be my room. So this is going to be my office studio space. Really nice and big and bright, which was really important to me. Double door cupboards. Right now it's totally empty. I was actually really pleasantly surprised by how big this closet is. I think between this cupboard and the big dresser that I'm going to put here and a couple clothing racks, I think there's going to be a lot of room. Moving on to the guest bathroom. This is probably my favorite bathroom in the house. I don't know why, but there is just something so sexy about black tile in a bathroom. I love it. As I showed you in Alex's bathroom, we also have this medicine cabinet storage. Then moving on to the bedroom. So this is where Alex and I sleep. This is the master suite. You walk straight in and you can access into the bathroom, which is beautiful. It's kind of a mix of the other two tiles. It's very different, which I like. And again, we have that same storage in here behind the mirrors. Ooh, Alex's cabinet. And the really cool thing about this bathroom that kind of makes it unique is that it has heated floors. So you can actually adjust the temperature of the floors. Also, I want to show you guys this. This is an amazing Amazon find. I think it was like $18. How cute is this? It's a little mannequin head and they have it in a couple different colors. Then coming into the bedroom, we have a beautiful blow up bed from Target, which guys is actually surprisingly good. I would buy it again. It's very comfortable. And the rest of the room is totally empty right now, but what we're kind of imagining is wallpapering this wall, putting some bed stands, putting a plant here, putting a desk here. Over here, we'll probably put a TV on the wall and obviously a new bed. Then as you exit the bedroom to the right, here we have a walk-in closet. So this has automatic lights, which is really nice. You walk in, the light turns on, and it has a lot of hanging space. It also has a lot of space for you to put stuff up on top and underneath as well. So I think what may happen is we may end up getting a dresser here and maybe even here, depending on, you know, how much we need. That's the whole apartment, guys. There are amenities. Having a building with amenities was really important to us because we spend so much time at home, and you know, we don't have a car here in New York, so we wanted things that were easily accessible. They have a gym and they have workout classes. We actually got up this morning at 6:45 and did a spin class. And having those little things in the building really make all the difference, and hopefully we'll be able to meet some really amazing people. It still does not feel real. I feel like I'm in a dream and I'm about to wake up. I have to pinch myself because this is literally my dream apartment. It's beautiful, it's inspiring, and I'm actually so excited for this new chapter. Between New York and Florida is, I think, a dream combination, and I can't wait to spend time in both of these places. The moving truck is actually getting here tomorrow, so in 24 hours this apartment is about to look very, very different. It's been a couple days. You can see we have the furniture. I won't show you guys yet, but just while I'm in the middle of editing this video, I wanted to show you guys the sunset because this is one of the most beautiful views I've ever seen in my whole life. And Alex and I have just been watching this every single night.